eggheads, this is Liz, and today we're going to go over how to connect your AirPods Max to your Alienware computer.
Okay, so first you have to get your AirPods ready to pair it on your computer. So the first thing you do is you put it into pairing mode by taking them out of the case, and they should immediately be put into pairing mode. If for any reason they don't, then you can hold down your noise canceling button for 3 to 5 seconds, and that should make them go into pairing mode.
All right, now that they're ready to pair, we're going to go onto your Windows computer. We're going to click on the Start button, and then we're going to go into Settings. From here, you're going to type on Bluetooth and Devices. And we're going to go to the Add Device option, but before that, just double check to make sure your Bluetooth is actually on the Bluetooth section. Make sure it's toggled to on and not off. After that, and if it is on off, make sure put it to on. And then we're going to hit Add Device. And now we're going to hit Bluetooth. And now it's going to search. And as you can see, my AirPods Max are popped right up. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Connect. If for some reason they don't pop right up, you might need to turn the Bluetooth off on the last device they were connected to. Like say they were connected to your phone, just go ahead and turn the Bluetooth off on there. And so once my AirPods Max are there, I go ahead and I click on them to connect. Once they're selected, connecting, and just like that, your device is ready to go. Now, if you have any problems with your sound or microphone working, we have a video in the description down below on how to troubleshoot that. But anyway, from one egghead to another egghead, this is Liz signing out.